There was 30 cars here that we had. One there. The bike's in the air. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of Hoodstig. As you can see, all the cars have gone. It's all vanished and there are no more cars left. And basically, I'm here to tell you guys, we've been evicted from this place. We are no longer allowed to stay here. This is the only thing that's left here, water container. But the most important thing is that there was 30 cars here that we had. We were here for over almost 3 years. We went from 0 cars, 0 space, 0 land into 30 cars into this unit and land. We had no electric, we had no water supply. In winter, it's freezing cold with no heater. We just had a generator to just do what we can do and jack stands. It's just an emotional moment. We have to leave this place after almost 3 years of being here to building cars and trying to fix cars. I'm just going to show you guys a walk around of this whole place being empty and then possibly the new place where we're going. So let's show you guys. Here we go. Basically, you got in here, we had all the cars that were here. We had the Skyline right here, a car right there, the Toyota Sora was right there. We had a car there, and a car there. We just got to empty up this dash and a few wheels and whatnot. And as you can see, no cars left. It's all open and there were cars all over here. It's all gone. We are going to get the truck to take the water container because we are going to take that to the new place. I'm going to explain to you guys the new place that we've got. Get your popcorn and your drinks and tea because it's time for the roller coaster. How we managed to sell some of the cars and move some of the cars to the new place. Good morning. All the cars have gone. There's just the Prelude left, the S3 left and the CRX. The reason why I'm filming right now is because we're moving all the big dogs, which is the Skyline, S14, Supra and the Evo. Let's start this bad boy up. Do a quick engine check. Which one would you have? S14. And the fastest car of them all, the S3 Rep. So we're gonna hit the road now. So I've jumped in the S14. First time driving this after, I'd say, about 8 years. Wow, this car is the best. Listen, 8 years. Oh, this car is sick. Yeah, the brakes are a bit weak on this. I think it needed bleeding. Thank you, mate. I just love the sound of this car. The dog tried to come after me. I thought a dog would be scared, not aggressive. We want to find out if it's an open diff or LSD. LSD confirmed. That was fast. That was it. And it held up proper well. That looks fun, man. That's next day, Honda CRX, last third car of the 30 cars that we've got. Right, you join me on one of the final days. We're taking the Skyline and the Supra. A lot of us nowadays, when we've got a dream, we want to hold on to a dream, and for different circumstances or calamities, we tend to give up on that dream, like it's not feasible, we don't want to do it. But we shouldn't let go, because maybe that struggle, that position that you're in where you want to give up, just if you carried on, you would have leveled up, living the goals that you've always dreamed of, doing what you're passionate about. That's why it's not worth quitting when it does get tough or when there's obstacles. And this is an example of my experience and what we're experiencing with the move in the cars and short notice and finding a new place. It's doable. I just want to motivate and inspire people out there, because if you're listening to me right now, if you're watching this, anything is possible, anything is doable if you just put your mind to it and just don't let the struggles put you off from the goal and the dreams. Don't give up on those, hold on to them and just keep at it. Don't ever give up. Get some solar in the Evo. How much space have we got? Oh my god, I got plenty of space. Alright, doesn't matter, I'll have to come back for it. Let's get that Skyline in. Praise be to Almighty, we made it to one piece back to unit. Oh my god, I almost lost you. And now we're gonna attempt to take the dirt bike. We got the other dirt bike last night. Let's do that now. One there. Now the bike's in the air. So I'm gonna strap it down now. And hopefully it should be good to go. This is the way it's looking now. We've got a whole bunch of bikes and stuff to stabilize the dirt bike. Alright, let's go. We've basically come to a new HQ and we are moving on to a new chapter, and it is 2023. Progress upward, all the way up. As you see behind me, there are all the cars and they're all gone from the old place. So let me do some explaining. It's not working. LSD. And there you have it. So they're all tucked in really nicely. Gee, wheeler skates for the cars, because as you can see it's really tight and close. All the cars can't even move. We have now got electric, we've got light. There's two lights over there, daylight coming in for the top. There are lots of plugs on the side. Alhamdulillah, I feel like this is going to change a lot of the things that we're doing in terms of moving upwards and doing a lot more projects. And this is not how it used to look like. This is all empty, full of dirt. Like, it's very messy in here and we had to clean it all out. And I'm going to show you guys now. This is it. Lots of mess, but we've got this as well, so we don't have to get water containers anymore. So a little tiny room in here. We clean out the whole unit because it's full of muck dirt and just debris all over the floor. A pressure wash wall, a dirty wall. So if you look here, it's all blue here, and then it's all dusty and muddy and all sorts. So floors are pretty clean now. You can see the blue resin. Alright, let's keep at it. I'm just really excited. The journey is carrying on in a positive way. This is the place where we can be able to modify cars and get cars to a good level than the last place where there's no electric, no water, and it's pretty cold. And we also got a storage room in here. We've got a lot of like stuff that we need to sort out. We've got a few parts that we need to sell, a heater if it gets cold. And we've also got a cat called Baby. She was in the old place, which I haven't really showed you guys, but basically she was a feral cat. We had her for almost 2 years now. She was a stray cat, a barn cat that was living in school. They took her away from her kids, and ever since then she's been very hesitant with humans. Literally she was attacking, making sounds. It took us like a few weeks for her to like start eating, but we didn't see her for months. We just kept putting food in the plate and she'd come and eat. Close to around a year, she started like laying in the cars in the summer and she started to see, and she'd come over when we got the food. But now, in this new place, she's literally coming over and we get to touch her. We get to touch Baby. And it's just a dream come true. Just thank the Almighty again for that. Because when we did speak to the vets, RSPCA, they said they couldn't look after her any longer. They were going to put her down, but then by the will of the Almighty, we got her, and now she's much happier than ever. So back to we'll drop a video about it in the next couple of videos. Get a sofa here. This will be a chill room.
Oh, there you are. You're beautiful, ain't you? How many packs do you want today? 1, 2, 3, 4? For now. Here you go. Enjoy. It's right there. Yeah? It's right there.
It's all going to be very efficient. It's all going to work itself out, and we've got everything that we need. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you everybody for supporting the channel, and stay tuned for what's about to come. 2023 is going to be a big one. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.